Hello and welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, we will discuss about enhanced letterhead in Salesforce. So we will start off this video tutorial by giving a brief introduction to what is email letterhead, and we can create an email letterhead in Salesforce Lightning, and then we will discuss step by step how to create an enhanced letterhead in Salesforce Lightning Edition. Now before we jump to very first topic, I would like to tell you that we bring such tutorial on Salesforce on regular basis. So if you are really interested to become a Salesforce expert, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also press the bell icon to get the regular updates from it. Now let's start with very first topic, that is enhanced letterhead in Salesforce. So recently I got a requirement to create a customized HTML email template in Salesforce Lightning, and while I was understanding it, I came to know that for a HTML email template or for any email template we need some sort of letterhead. So then I came across this concept of enhanced letter. So enhanced letter is a branding component in Salesforce that we can include in our email documents or even reports. It typically includes the header and footer where we can add certain components like company logo, contact details, and other design components. All these components come together and it helps to support the branding identification of the business. Now generally we create enhanced letterhead to build email template in Salesforce. It helps to add the branding elements like an email, header, footer, etc. So let us discuss how we can create an enhanced letterhead in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, I will quickly switch to my Salesforce developer account, and here you can see our developer account is open, and by default it is open in the Lightning edition, and I am currently on my setup home page. If you are not on a setup home page, you can click on the gear icon, and then there is a setup option. Click on the setup option and this will open the home setup page of Salesforce Lightning. Now to create an enhanced letterhead, I need to move to this app launcher, and then I click on the view all, and from here I need to search for the enhanced letterhead. So I enter the enhanced letterhead in the search box, and there is an enhanced letterhead option present. So click on this option. So I click on this to open. So currently you can see I don't have any enhanced letterhead. This is basically the list of enhanced letterhead, and you can see I don't have any enhanced letterhead till now. So to create a new enhanced letterhead, I need to click on this new option, and I will click on this now. So first I need to specify the name for my enhanced letterhead. So I will name my letterhead as a response letterhead. So I enter the response letterhead in this name section, and so I will name my letterhead as a response letterhead, and here I can also add a description for it. So I will simply add a simple description like this is response, and so I can use this description box to specify the main functionality for your letterhead. For example, if I want to create a letterhead for my document which will be shared across the organization, then I can specify that description, that is letter for the PDF, etc. So I will specify the description now. If I scroll up here, you can see there is a two section. First one is a header, and this is where we can add the content for the header, and there is a footer, and in the same fashion this is a section where we can add the content for the footer. First I will add the logo. So to add any logo, I need to click on this insert image. So click on this and browse or to upload. So if you don't need, upload any image, you can click on the upload image option. Then you can choose the file from your system. So I click on the upload image, and here I choose the image from the system and click on the open, and here our image is uploaded. You can see our image is uploaded, and here I will click on the and here you can see this icon can be inserted. And now I want to align this, and I align this as a center, and then I can also resize this by simply doing that thing, and our image is resizing, and our image is now resizing. And now I will also want to add some content, and the content is added. Now I want this content align center, so scroll up and align this content as a center, and our content is aligned as a center, you can see. And then I can have my footer section. This is my footer section. Until now we were using the basic option which were given. You can see there is a source option as well. So if I click on the source option, and I can write the HTML into it. So what I will do, I will have one horizontal line. So I will enter, and I will enter some HTML, and here I click on the source, and you can see horizontal line is shown. And then again click on the source. You can see when horizontal line is being added. Now I will add one more horizontal line in it. So I enter here and then click on the source, and the two horizontal line is shown. And then I again click on the source, and I want to add some content. So what I am doing here I am adding two horizontal line, and within this horizontal line I will add my content. So I click on the source here, and you can see this thing has been rendered as a HTML. Now I can also apply some property to it. For example, I will apply the style once we set our header and footer. I will apply the style. So I click on the source. So I enter here style, and then click on the source, and here our style feature is added. Once we set our header and footer, now click on the save button to save the letterhead, and here we can preview our letterhead. So this is the basic format of my letterhead that I am going to use. So with this we have successfully created an enhanced letterhead in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.